In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a view in Airtable. If you're new to Airtable or just looking to get more out of your database experience, then you're in the right place. Airtable is an incredibly versatile tool that allows for the flexibility of a spreadsheet with the power of a database. And with its views feature, you can tailor how you see your data to fit your needs. Let's begin by heading over to Airtable's official website. Simply open your web browser and type in airtable.com. Now once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate the sign in button, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not logged in already, you will be prompted to enter your account credentials. Just input your email and password and press the sign in button to proceed. Keep in mind, if you have the option, you can also use single sign-on options like Google or Apple to log in quickly. Once you're in, it's time to navigate to your workspace. You should now see your dashboard, complete with any bases you have access to. Click on the specific table you wish to create a view for. This is where your data resides and where the magic of creating a personalized view begins. After selecting your table, glance to the top left part of your screen. Here you'll find a drop-down menu listing different view options. Views are essentially perspectives through which you can filter and organize your data. Consider what type of view best serves your current purpose. You can choose from options like grid, calendar, Kanban, and more depending on your needs. Next, you'll want to zero in on the view options and select the one that matches your intended data arrangement. After selecting your desired view, another menu will appear providing additional sub-options. This is the heart of customizing your view. Depending on the data you're dealing with, you might want to experiment with sorting, grouping, and filtering options to get that perfect layout. Finally, look for a button or link that says Create New View. Clicking this will generate a fresh view based on your specifications. This lets you access your data in this new format whenever you come back to Airtable without altering your existing datasets. It's particularly helpful for collaborative environments where multiple team members need different data perspectives. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new view in Airtable. Remember, the views you set up now can be modified or duplicated in the future, so don't hesitate to play around with the settings to find what works best. If at any point you need assistance, Airtable's support center is a great resource. Now go ahead and explore the potential of your data with your newly created view.